This is a 2008 Chrysler Town & Country. Its top features include third-row seats, a low-tire pressure indicator, xenon headlights, a rear seat DVD entertainment center, satellite radio, and a rear-view camera. The following features are also included: aluminum wheels, a seat with memory presets, cruise control, a security system, fog lamps, roof rails, a stability control system, disc brakes with an anti-lock braking system, dual power seats, and this vehicle has fewer than 46,000 miles on the odometer. This Chrysler has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
BMW of Columbia is located at 5919 Two Notch Road in Columbia. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.